Okay, hello mga ka-Scorpio? Scorpio? Okay, sino mga Scorpio dito? Siguro naman, pinindot mo ang Scorpio, you are a Scorpio. Okay, hindi ka siguro nagkamali, no? Kasi ako kanina nagkamali ako, inulit ko to. Okay, so, Scorpio. Ano ang reading para sa iyo? Oh, Seven of Swords. Scorpio, Four of Cups in reverse. The World. And Death. Oh, come on, Scorpio. Napaka-energy, energy talaga ng Scorpio to. Pag may death. Very Scorpio talaga. Okay, Scorpio. Scorpio, makinig. Okay. Seven of Swords, Scorpio. Okay. So, bago matapos ang taon na to, Scorpio, sa 2 buwan na natitira sa taon na to, there will be an ending would happen. Ending tungkol saan? Which is relevant naman siya. Kasi nga, ang year natin is a life cycle 9, which is about endings. So, there will be a lot of endings na mangyayari sa relationships mo, particularly, Scorpio. So, maraming endings, maraming mga maka-cut off kang tao. Ayan o, tingnan mo, death to, laki ng ano mo, panaga mo. Grabe, ang laki niya na. Okay, so, ano ibig sabihin nito? Look at this 4 cups in reverse. Okay, kita mo yan. Kung mapapansin mo, hindi siya masaya. Walang masaya sa cards mo. Ibig ba sabihin nito, hindi ka masaya sa huling buwan ng 2025? Hindi ka pa rin ba masaya? Yung ba ibig sabihin nun? Hindi naman. Hindi naman ganon, Scorpio. Alam ko ganon iniisip mo, Scorpio. Hindi naman ganon. Ang ibig sabihin lang nito, Scorpio, you are no longer longing for material things or superficial things, shall I say. Ano ibig sabihin nun? You are no longer part of the circle na puro kababawan lang or makamundo lang ang gusto. Makamundo, ayan o. You're not like that anymore. Okay? Parang you're longing for something na pagbabago. And you want to cut this off. Lahat yan. Cut it off, lahat ito. Starting from this to this. Parang ganyan na. Cut, cut, cut. So, ano ibig sabihin nun? Gusto mo ng panibagong buhay next year, which will be happening. And that's a good message. That's a good sign. However, Scorpio, once you do that, make sure you are not being deceived by anyone. Okay? Ibig sabihin nito, huwag kang magpapalito, huwag kang magpapauto, huwag kang magpapaloko, lalo na sa mga taong nasa paligid mo na malapit sa'yo. So, what does it mean? There is a death, which is 13. Maaaring yung birthday mo is November 13. Or, maaaring magta-21 ka. Or there are 7 people in your life na niloko ka, sinaktan ka. And because of that, you're not happy and contented. But now, you are. Because it's in reverse, meaning, unti-unti, you're not like this anymore. Unti-unti, gusto mo nga baguhin na yan, di ba? Gusto mo nang i-cut it off lahat yan. Meaning, gusto mo na maging kontento sa buhay. Gusto mo nang maging maayos. Especially sa emotions mo. Okay? So, for you to do that, you need to cut the first one. The 7 of Swords. You need to cut this person. Or people. Paano ba yan? Para makita mo maayos. Yan. Okay, i-describe ko sa'yo yung taong kailangan mong tanggalin sa buhay mo. Ang nakikita ko, nanay mo, mother mo, or babae to. Okay, tapos, mahilig tong manguha ng hindi sa kanya. Tapos, pamumukain niyang sa kanya. And then, maaaring air sign to. May pagka-air sign to. Pwedeng Libra, Gemini, Aquarius. Okay ko. Ayaw niya akong salitain. Wait lang. Wait lang. Wala pa may water ko dito. Itong 7 of Swords, malaking impact nito sa buhay mo. Itong taong to. Huwag kang magpapadeceive sa kanya. Kasi 7 of Swords is like deception. Minamanipulate ka niya through his words, through her words, at nagkakaroon to ng mental instability sa'yo. So, be careful. And that's what you need or supposed to have an ending with. Kailangan mo i-end or i-cut yung relationship mo na dito. Okay? As in, now na. Okay? But it doesn't mean in a way of brutal way like this word, no? What it means is cut the relationship in a way na make sure what words she will say to you. Anumang words na sabihin niya sa'yo, it doesn't matter to you anymore. Do not put or do not have that emotional, do not be emotionally invested to this person. Who cares? Pake, ganon. Wala akong pake. Dapat ganon ang energy mo sa kanya. Ano man ang sabihin mo, it doesn't matter to me anymore. I'm done with you. I'm done with this. I'm done. We're done. Ganon. Okay? Kasi you will have a new beginning. All you wanted lang naman kasi talaga, Scorpio, is to have that contentment, that stability, especially in emotions. Okay? So, ang nakikita ko dito, Scorpio, etong taong to, mahilig din matulog or maantukin sa tuwing nagsasalita ka na parang ayaw ko na niyang pakinggan, so tutulog na lang siya, gano'n. Or ayaw ko niyang pakinggan, pero yung words niya parang it really matters to everyone, pero it doesn't really matter. No one cares about her. No one cares about this person. It's only you who care, pero she's using you pa. Not in a good way. Okay? Just for herself now. So, you are no longer in this position. Kasi you have your own world. Hindi mo siya buhay. May sarili kang buhay. So, you need to cut these people. You need to cut this person. Okay? Siya lang naman ito. Babae. Feminine side. Okay? So, kung whoever this person is, a friend, a colleague, a classmate, a neighbor, a mother, a father, a sibling, a cousin, an aunt, an uncle, whoever is this, cut it off. If it's no longer excuse me. Okay? Ayaw niya talaga akong pasalatain. Okay. So, Scorpio, na masasabi ko lang, i-cut mo talaga tong taong to. Kasi, hanggat nandiyan siya sa buhay mo, eventually, without realizing it, you would see yourself like you're talking to yourself and nobody's listening to you. Okay? And I know it really cuts deep within yourself kapag ganun. So, for you to have that peace of mind, I know that you're longing for that. You need to cut this person. Again, not in a bad way, but in a way of spiritual way. Okay? Make sure there's no connection at all to you and to her or to him or to whoever is this. Okay? So, that's all But before you leave, Scorpio, let's have a message for life. Simplicity. Ayan. Today, I choose to simplify my life. As I do so, my burdens lighten. I release my ego's need to understand, to prove, and to control. Instead, I undertake every task with an open, humble heart. Seeing through the eyes of a child, I discover life in all its wonder and simplicity. As the complications and chaos of the mind fall away, I remember I am one with the light. So, ibig sabihin nito, di ba dito, dati, kahit anong meron ka pa, hindi ka na-fulfill, walang contentment, pero ngayon, you're not like that anymore. And you need to have that simplicity within you. Okay, nagkakaroon ka lang naman ng conflict because of this person eh. Okay, bata ka pa, you are a child. But because of this person, parang ang daming nawala sa'yo. Okay? And you don't need to prove everything. Alam ko, Scorpio, may ugali kayong, para bang, the ego is so high, no? And that's what you need to learn. And I can see naman, ikaw na nakikinig na Scorpio, you're working on that. Okay? You are no longer in your ego's head. You're not a control freak anymore. And you don't need to prove anything to anyone na. And that's simplicity comes in. Okay? So, Scorpio, before the year 2025 ends, everything will take part in simplicity. You need to live simple. You need to be simple. Okay? Kasi ginagamit niya yung chaos para maguluhan ka lalo. Okay? Huwag ka magpapadala dito sa taong to. Okay? Kasi nag-start ka na. You're living your life na. Okay? In simplicity way. You are accepting everything, and there you want a new beginning, and there will be a new beginning next year for you. Ang dami talagang new beginning next year. Yun ang pinaka overall message sa lahat ng zodiac signs. There will be a new beginning for everyone next year because nga next year is a life cycle 1. So 1 is a new beginning. Okay? So Scorpio, that's all your reading for today. And we'll see you again in our next reading. Bye!